Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Old Orchard Beach, local and long-distance movers near me. Old Orchard Beach Long Distance 3 Movers is the trustworthy option if you're considering a move outside of Old Orchard Beach. We're dedicated to giving you possession smooth and secure travel because we know the technicalities of long-distance moves. Long-distance relocations demand more planning and organization than local moves do. Old Orchard Beach Long Distance 3 Movers possess the necessary experience and certification to handle these complexities efficiently. We know interstate laws, ensuring a smooth transition to your new location. Additionally, Old Orchard Beach Long Distance 3 Movers provides affordable pricing alternatives catering to your needs. We offer precise quotes that account for the length of your relocation, its size, and any other services you might need. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Old Orchard Beach moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.